We are touring the Sir Adam Hotel. It is in the building that has a down lookout with the swings and restaurant on top. This is on the north section of Amsterdam, about a 3-minute ferry from Central Station. Depending on your room, you can have views of Central Station and Old Town Amsterdam. You could stay here for as low as 38,000 Bonvoy points per night. The highest I've seen is 56,000 Bonvoy points. If you are planning on staying at the Sir Adam Hotel in Amsterdam, this is what you may get to experience. You're gonna come into the entrance of the hotel, but it's also the restaurant butcher or social club. We'll come to the front door, and when we're here on the bottom, it's just going to be the social club at first. So we'll take you on upstairs to see the check-in lobby for the Sir Adams. So this is a part of the social club, a couple of games, pool, and then there was some ping pong on one side. There is an elevator we can take, but we're going to take the stairs at this point right now. And this is where you will check in for your hotel stay. Cool vibe. You can hear everything going on in the social club downstairs. This is the front desk where you will get your welcome drink. Alcoholic, non-alcoholic. They have a few options for you. And there is more places to hang out on this level right here. Plenty of seats, and if you want to come down and enjoy the social music, you can. Earlier in the day, it was quieter, more light coming on because of the big windows. So we're going to find our way over to the gym. It is on this level. When you're looking at the desk, you want to turn right, and this is where the gym is going to be. Looks like we just go straight ahead. There is not an elevator that we need. We walk inside the gym. We have a few lockers for to use. Machines, everything is right here when you walk inside the door. It is a smaller gym. Here are all of the equipment. These are always cool. I've only seen this once before, and I think it was in China, but it's like a resistance band that you can do different movements with. That band will go up and down and however you want to do it. The water station is right here. Cleaning supplies and a cool clock date. These windows are actually really cool too. Concrete around, and they're kind of like a hexagon, whatever shape that is. More of the equipment here. The cardio stuff. We have some battle ropes right there. It's under this machine. Pull downs. A bar like that. You can jump up. And then this is the rest of the equipment. It's not much to see. Dumbbells go up to 30 kilograms. So that's kind of heavy that is actually quite heavy with a pound, if that's how you do yours. Looks like you can play music here. I'm not sure if we're allowed to do it, but maybe. It says it's on because you can pause it, or it's buffering, it's not playing. TV. Weighted vest, actually. All these balls and kettlebells, and it is free weights for you to do benches, and looks like you can kind of do a monkey bar, climb all the way up to here. Very interesting. And this is the gym. There is a shower right here. If you need a towel, go to the front desk. We'll knock and see if anything was in here. And then this is the shower. It looks pretty nice. Automatic. I can kind of smell gym or cleaning stuff, but this is inside the shower, kind of like in our room. And speaking of room, let's find our way over there. So on the opposite side of the gym, we have our rooms, some more places to hang out. And we see a lot of record players. There is a library of more records right here, and you'll see a few record players throughout. So to get our room, we have to tap our card, then we have to press our floor, and then find our floor, and we'll go to elevator B, where it will take us where we need to be. We have a cool elevator because this one goes all the way up to the lookout. Sometimes they have people working on here that will, I guess, talk in the mic, I guess. I've been up there before, but I don't remember this part. But we're just going to go to the 6th floor, which is Sir Adams. And then there's, I guess, other stuff up there. And then we get to our floor. And we have to tap in one more time. A lot of security because I guess this is a popular place. Tap your key here. And then we'll open the door. And we'll have our dark hallway to head to our room. We're in 612. Amsterdam and the beautiful water, or a waterway, is right there. As we back up into our room, we do have a little bench that we can sit and enjoy the views. As we continue along the wall, we have our mini bar and we have a record player. There's a library of records downstairs. The water is free, the coffee is free. Heineken's $5 or €5, I mean. And then in here, we have our tea kettle cups, mini bar for purchase, and then another mini bar. It looks like the whiskey is gonna be €9.50. So this is a really cool section, another window you can enjoy. Staying along the walls, we do have a full-length mirror all the way to the top of the ceiling, and the ceiling or the walls are a bit concrete. Cool minimalist design. We have our TV here, our open concept closet or place to hang our stuff, and the robes are denim, which is really cool. I have not seen that before. A few hangers, and then I think that is another robe, potentially another robe. And then some black slippers. There's a place under here you can put your other bags in as well. Here is our sink for our bathroom, and the light in there says shine bright like a diamond. We can look at our products. This is the brand, and then the hair dryer is right in here. Nice felt bag. Brass fixtures, and then we'll continue along the wall. We'll open up the rest of the bathroom. Let's see if I can find a light switch is right here. Seems to be all marble or marble style. We have the toilet right there, some towels right above. There seems to be a temperature control in here. I haven't seen it outside. And then we have a good size shower, double head, a rainfall one, as well as a handheld shower with the same product brands right there. We'll come back out, we'll look at the front door. It's just a map here. It doesn't show like a maximum room rate, but it shows our location. 612 is the room. And then let me show you where you'll be sleeping. right in this nice king bed, cool design. We have more storage, TV remotes right there, more of the blue. And then up here, we have a guitar, some more vibes up here. The light is really cool. This room is very nice. Red phone. Watch out, folks. This is the room.